Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your device and permissions so you can collect accurate time-stamped usage. Once ready, open Settings. On Android, go to Network and Internet or Connections. On iPhone, go to Cellular. Make sure background data and usage access are enabled, otherwise you'll miss app activity. Also check whether you're viewing Wi-Fi or cellular totals, because those track different sessions. Now tap Data Usage or Cellular Data to begin viewing timestamps and session information. This is the first actionable view that shows when data was used. Once inside Data Usage, select the billing cycle or custom date range to narrow the time frame you want to inspect. This helps separate days or weeks of activity. Then tap individual apps to see session-level details. Foreground versus background consumption, duration, and timestamps where available. On Android, use Advanced or Usage Access for more granular timestamp logs. On iPhone, rely on per-app totals and combine network timestamps. If native data is insufficient, open your carrier app or portal to compare network-side session logs and confirm exact connection times. Finish by exporting or screenshotting the usage view for records. Include the billing cycle and time zone because timestamps depend on that. Once done, set alerts or data limits in Settings or in your carrier app to prevent surprises next cycle. Make sure to compare phone logs with carrier logs if times don't match. Differences often come from time zone or network aggregation. If things go wrong, try toggling airplane mode. Then reboot the device to force a fresh network session and resync timestamped records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.